Hello angels, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy weekend, happy everything. I don't know when this video is going up, but I'm filming it on Sunday, so let's see. Today I'm gonna be trying out the new foundation that came out from Makeup Revolution. It's the Revolution Matte Base Pore Blurring Full Coverage foundation. So I picked up the shade F13, and I have the other foundation in F13 and F13.5. The 13.5 didn't really suit me properly, but I got the F13, which was a lot better. But the F13 in the stick foundation wasn't exactly my shade, so that's a bit confusing. But I bought the F13 anyway in case of anything. I'm gonna show you the F13 in the stick foundation. This is it. Yeah, I've actually used it quite a lot actually. So this is it here. Where's my mirror? Okay. Alright. It's not so bad. And I'm gonna try the F13.5. This is the Conceal and Define foundation. It's a bit darker. I don't know if you guys are saying this. Then the 13.5 in the Conceal and Define. That one is a lot lighter than this one. Weird. Alright, then I'll be trying this one. By the way, it's my very first impression. I haven't tried it, so we'll see. Okay, it seems very similar to the 13 in the F13 in the Conceal and Define range. So let me see, might not be too bad. Alright, I'm gonna clean this off and try this off. Okay, I also got the I don't know if it's visible, the Onyx primer. They came out with two other primers, and the other one was very hydrating, and I thought to myself, that would be nice considering I actually have like a dry regular skin. But I'm intrigued by this one. So I want to know if it's as good, because for my clients I end up using the Angel Veil primer most of the time. So if this is very good, that might replace that. The what's it called? This picker thing doesn't really pick it up properly. I don't know why. It hardly picks up a lot actually. I'm not the best person to test out pore blurring primers because, to be honest, I don't know where my pores are. I'm just joking. No, I don't know if I actually have much, so I don't see it. Then again, I am almost blind, so this primer, it comes in like, it literally comes in a black foam, but as soon as you put it on and start rubbing it in, it disappears onto the skin, so which is good. I'm not sure pairing it with that primer was the greatest, but I have actually moisturized my eyes. Sorry, I have moisturized my face before starting, so I guess it won't be too bad. Well, normally when I'm putting on my foundation, that's the amount I put on. So I'm using my Jaclyn Hill brush. Okay, I'm gonna go for another layer, or maybe I didn't pick up enough, I don't know. Okay, this foundation says is 28 ml, so I have a feeling it might finish very quickly, because that was the first layer that I put on and it didn't cover as much. Well, for £5, not bad. Okay, I like it. That looks really nice. That looks really nice. Okay, I also have the powders to test out. So I got the face powder, and I got one I wanted to use for contouring, and also I'm not a fan of using this type of concealer for under my eyes, so I didn't get anyone to highlight with, but I got one to contour with. So I'm gonna go and come back and I will see if this actually oxidizes, because from what I'm seeing it looks like it oxidizes a bit. I'm not sure, but I'll come back and I'll let you guys know. Okay, I've done, well, I've put some concealer on and put some powder on, so I'm gonna go straight into using this. I got the shade of C16, I mean. So, but I'm looking at it right now and it's looking very dark. The foundation stick, the F16 was a bit red, so I was hoping this was gonna be red. Well, yeah, it's quite dark. I guess that's what contour color should be. I don't know. Well, that's the only place I contour anyway, so let's see. So I got the shade P13 as a face powder. I kind of like the packaging though. It's kind of cute. It's small. I just pack it everywhere. So I'm gonna take this. Ooh. I'm not mad at it at all. Okay. Alright. Let me go into the contour then. I bought the shade P16. Yeah, this looks quite red. This was what I was hoping the stick one was supposed to look like, but it doesn't. Let's go into this. Girl. I found my bronzer, you know. Okay. I'm gonna go do my lips, do my eyes, you know, my lower lash line on them, and I will come back and give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, everyone, I'm back. Okay, I love the way this look turned out. This looks like a pretty good match. Okay, if this foundation holds up for the rest of the night, I might have found my holy grail, you know. Look at that. Girl. It looks alright to me. Or maybe it doesn't, I don't know. From what I can see right now, it looks good on the monitor. It looks good on the monitor and it looks good on camera. Sorry, it looks good on the monitor and it looks good in the mirror. So, in real life it looks good. Looks right. I like it. I really do like it. Oh, I'm so sorry. I know I did my eyes before I started. I used the eye glisten thing. So, I used this palette and I used this. It looks really nice. I really like it. Anyways, so I like the foundation so far. If there is any changes by the end of the night, then I'll let you guys know. But so far so good. I love the way it's looking. as in I'm really hot where I am right now, but it's not visible on my face, which is good. Any sheen you're seeing right now is just the highlighter, literally just the highlighter. It looks really nice. It looks really good. I like it. And also I actually like this as a bronzer, you know. I like this as a bronzer because damn it, I dig my finger in it. Okay, this compared to that one, obviously I prefer this to this. This is for a more natural, you know, bronze like day, but this is if I actually want to bronze up, I'll bronze up with this. And it's actually almost the same color as my Milani powder, literally the same color. So yeah, I think I found my holy grail. I actually like this line. Thank you so much, Revolution. I found my baby's babe. Hello everyone. I'm checking back in. I want you guys to see the foundation. I've been wearing it for the past let me check my phone. The time is 22:08 now, so that means I have been wearing it for the past 8 hours. So I'm liking the way it's looking, and yeah, that's always been my problem though, is I don't think it has anything to do with the foundation. Is the, what's it called, kohl pencil I used today. It transferred. So but aside from that, I will tell you this, I don't think it's full coverage, you know. Like, to me, I feel like I use quite a lot, and I don't think it's full coverage, because I've got like a blemish here and I didn't cover it, so I don't think it's full coverage. But aside from that, everything is looking fresh. It looks the way it looked before I went out, except from the transfer. So, but considering that I've been wearing this for the past 8 hours, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. And I didn't talk about the primer and the concealer in my other outro. This concealer, I can't tell. I don't know. Like, it did contour though. From what I see, it contoured properly. And it looks really nice. It didn't even disappear throughout the day, so that's saying something. So I guess if I'd used it under my eye, it would have been very good. So it didn't disappear, so that's good. And also this primer, everything aside from, okay, yeah, my makeup disappeared around this area, but that's because I have my hair here. And also my pores, literally my pores disappear. Well, I don't really have much pores to begin with, but it looks good. It looks really good. So thank you so much. If you guys love this, so if you guys like this, thumbs up and comment down in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and you know, keep living and keep doing you.